背啊3200米嘅3級賽，入晒閘隨死步啦，準備。好嗱，一起步嘅時候咧，最慢嗰隻銀貴賓嚟噶，出得快啲嘅咧喺外檔嚟噶，黑衫紅帽啊，奇騰格就快少少咁，但係內檔嗰邊勝利之路擺喺前面走啊，然之後咧就聖戰士啦，咁同埋隻青戰都快噶，咁再跟住個馬內檔嗰邊有早晨啦，貼住欄嘅非洲冒險，外檔埋緊嚟就不受控制同埋黃衫嘅納布拉斯啦，後啲位置嘅馬咧就喺中檔咧就有隻驕陽炎啦，咁再跟住咧先見到咧喺內檔嗰邊咧就別眷戀嚟嘅，咁其他嘅馬暫時就未影到啊，睇翻前邊先啦，咁帶緊頭就勝利之路啦，奇騰格啊拍住佢，貼欄第三就聖戰士嚟嘅，咁外檔埋到嚟納布拉斯埋馬都埋咗嚟二碟噶啦喎，咁再跟住仲有個青戰噶，喺佢後少少位置咧外檔咧就不受控制啦，咁再跟住咧仲有隻非洲冒險啊，後啲都喺外檔咧就早晨嚟嘅，貼咗埋欄咧仲有別眷戀啦，咁然之後先見到咧仲有喜愛咧，暫時比較後啲噶啦，咁再跟住個馬咧先見到咧仲有富裕嚇，咁啊暫時喺後邊就銀貴賓啦，同埋夢想之地嘅，好啦咁啊轉咗去對面嘅時候咯，咁前面帶緊頭咧暫時咧勝利之路都係佢帶頭嘅，咁啊首位第位就奇騰格啊，貼欄第三咧就聖戰士，咁啊仆住第四位咧暫時都遮到實嘅黃衫啊，納布拉斯呢熱門啦，後啲位置嘅馬啦，咁內檔咧就青戰啦，咁啊喺外側咧暫時咧就啲不受控制嘅，後啲咧仲有咧就見到嘅馬咧先見到綠綠地衫別眷戀啊，佢都走咗埋內檔嗰邊噶，咁然之後中間咧仲有咧就喺佢外側嘅早晨啦，後啲位置咧仲有驕陽炎啦，佢就走外檔嘅，然之後內檔嗰邊綠衫嘅別眷戀嚟嘅，咁啊再跟住嘅馬咧先見到咧仲有富裕啦，跟住咧尾三位置內檔嘅喜愛啊，尾以淺藍衫銀貴賓啊，包尾紅衫仲係夢想之地嘅，好啦，走咗接近一半途程嘅時候啦，嗱開始見轉彎咧就大概有16位到啊，翻到終點噶啦，帶緊頭暫時就勝利之路啊，守住第位仲係奇騰格啦，咁啊貼欄第三仍然鬥住一聖戰士嚟嘅，仆住第四位咧就納布拉斯呢個位好靚噶啦，咁再跟住個馬青戰就貼欄嘅，走二碟啊不受控制啦，三碟都上咗上嚟到驕陽炎，再後啲嘅馬咧先見到內檔嘅非洲冒險啊，喺佢後邊咧綠衫啊別眷戀嚟嘅，然之後啦外檔出邊嗰匹仲有早晨啦，喺佢後邊咧仲有隻富裕，咁然之後個馬咧先見到淺藍衫尾以為只係銀貴賓啦，包緊尾仲係夢想之地嘅，差唔多仲有1200米途程啦，就翻到終點噶啦，前面帶緊頭仲係勝利之路啊，仲算放得幾順嘅，所以第位係奇騰格啦，咁外檔上到嚟隻驕陽炎啊，內檔嗰邊仲有聖戰士，然之後仲係遮到實喎，納布拉斯都未喐手住噶，咁再跟住咧仲有青戰啦，喺外碟啊不受控制啊，再跟住個馬仲有非洲冒險嘅，拍住佢仲有早晨啦，然之後就富裕尾四，尾三綠衫別眷戀啊，尾以淺藍衫銀貴賓，包緊尾仍然都係夢想之地咁啊，頭尾個馬咧就唔係拉好遠嘅啫，8個馬位內嘅啫，好啦，彎就差唔多轉完咁滯噶啦，向住最後直路進發嘅時候啊，前面帶緊頭咧就勝利之路啦，咁我當隻驕陽炎上嚟拍下佢咯嚇，所以第三位就奇騰格嚟嘅，咁內檔開始騎就聖戰士啦，然之後咧熱門嘅納布拉斯咧，哇黐到前面啲馬好實嘅，暫時都幾輕鬆噶，再跟住個馬啦，先見到內檔嗰邊就青戰啦，走出外檔嘅不受控制，然之後仲有早晨啊，咁同埋咧就呢隻嘅非洲冒險一路都騎緊噶啦，掟出外檔咧，仲有咧就呢個銀貴賓啦，走內檔上嘅別眷戀啦，包緊尾暫時仲係夢想之地啦，同埋咧仲嗰隻富裕都幾下後嘅，入到之後直路嘅時候咁前面帶緊頭，暫時咧就係驕陽炎咧就鬥緊勝利之路啦，呢隻熱門納布拉斯呢個位啊靚啦，一攝咗上嚟先嚇，跟住上緊嚟嘅馬喺外檔喎，咁走晒出去咧就銀貴賓啦，同埋咧就啲富裕喺外檔打衝鋒嘅，上緊嚟就隻早晨啊，最後100零米嘅時候咁前邊咧帶緊頭就納布拉斯有啲外閃啊，但係外檔嗰隻好犀利銀貴賓三埋兩倍衝緊上嚟啊，前邊咧就呢個納布拉斯鬥銀貴賓睇嚟1、2名喺呢隊噶啦，個終點好接近啦，納布拉斯銀貴賓第3名咧睇嚟就不受控制啊！咁啊，都係呢隊熱門醒啲啊！
唉，跑第4啊！
結果係一隊熱門翻嚟嚇，咁啊結果納布拉斯都係大門啊，贏咗啊，銀貴賓啊跑翻去第2。
哦，沿途走個位靚啦呢隻馬，
不受控制，哇！佢攝得好靚啊，希威森呢場啊，嗰隻喜愛做中段啊拉停咗嘅，
喜愛就係啊，中段嗰度好早已經收噶啦。
第3啊係不受控制，
不受控制
第4名就早晨追極都追唔到。如果唔係又
其實呢銀貴賓入到直路個細字壓住隻納布拉斯，
磅重啲啦，你讓咁多磅都係蝕底。
其實都係嘅，別眷戀都有一着差就係佢其實磅都係重啲嗰隻嚟，佢追翻都唔少，但係冇用啦，你前面走甩咗啦。
你銀貴賓你讓納布拉斯12磅，你跑到第2都要有所交代啦，都算係。
好啦，咁啊納布拉斯啊，結果咧就哇喺氣威森贏完又贏喎，1級賽贏完到3級賽，贏咗呢場基維爾金杯嘅，我哋睇重播。好，咁啊結果咧就希威森納布拉斯就攞咗今屆嘅基維爾金杯啊！
好啦 ，S 嘅第7場嘅暫定名次跑第一名係14號嘅納布拉斯啦，第2名13號銀貴賓，第3名12號不受控制，第4名2號嘅早晨啊。
咁啊，平又杯平同杯都攞晒啦，兩個都包攬晒啦。
Award for champion jockey that this season's been about doing it for the people who have supported me and what we've seen today, a yard like Mr. Terry's who's done so much throughout my career, to give him a Group 1 and a Group 3 on the same day, absolutely fantastic on such a big stage, and the horses are always well prepared, and it just makes my job such a pleasure.
I had a chat with Sean as we were walking down to the Golden Horseshoe for the presentation, and he said it's been a season of highs and lows, but it's really encouraging and pleasing to end it off on a high.
It certainly has been one of those seasons, but what's really impressed me is how the yards pulled through with what happened to be almost B-string horses because we had so many setbacks. And what they've done with that has been absolutely fantastic. But like you say, it's not how you start, it's how you finish, and we're finishing very well today.
The race, I think, was won when you jumped this horse out the gate, and Sean mentioned to me as well that you're going to ride him for a position, and you seem to have the beautiful position in the back straight.
It's amazing how racing can be. We saw my Group 1 winner, how everything went wrong in the space of 100 meters, and she got me out the fire and got up on the line. And in this race, where everything went absolutely perfect and he won well. Like you said, Mr. Terry sort of made it easy for me. He said, just roll forward. If you're 3 wide, just park off and improve your position down the hill. And we didn't even have to do that. I just bided my time on the outside, and then next thing I found myself 4th one off. Had a perfect track into the race. Everything went well, and what was very encouraging is I hit the front a while out, and the Drockenstein horse on the outside got neck and neck, but he changed legs and he put his head down and found a little bit more to win. So this horse deserves a lot of credit. He's come from a big setback to reel off victories like this, so well done to him as well.
Great ride, wonderful afternoon it's turning out for you. You bagged the Group 1, the fillies. It's now the Marshall World of Sports Gold Cup. You can add that to your CV as well. Just a fantastic end to the season. Hearty congratulations.
Thank you very much. Well done to Marshall's World of Sports on hosting such a beautiful race today.
好啦，騎師希威森啊，贏完荷蘭羽標啊，一級賽之後咧，再贏多一場基維爾金杯啊，3級賽就算係錦上添花啦。咁啊，講到咧今場一個走位咧就相當之完美啊，沿途都做得相當之好。
真係贏佢嘅咋。
For the continued support they've given me, and I'm very, very happy to deliver this Gold Cup to them.
Well, give our best to Aldeyard, all the best to yourself and your team, and well done, Sean. You bagged the 2021 Marshall World of Sport Gold Cup with a superb performance from your horse, the son of Vercingetorix Nebras. Hearty congratulations.
Thank you, Dees.
Lovely, that's Sean Terry, and we'll get some pics there with a beautiful trophy, and what a trophy to add.
啊，連